Fuck, I think I lost my new Gucci ring from the pinky finger. What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Finally back in Bombay and I lost my ring. I don't know, maybe, not sure. I think I was just packing everything and I must have dropped it in the suitcase, or I thought it's in the room, so I asked Sonal to check it. She's still in Delhi and she did not find it over there, so I'm hoping it's in the suitcase. So let's quickly head home. By the way, we also have a crazy unboxing like you saw in the thumbnail. Rajiv, अंगूठी मिली क्या? हाँ मिली. अरे क्या बात है. So I found the ring. I was really upset about it because I had just bought it. It had hardly been 2 days. Should I first talk about the box or should I straight away get into the unboxing? Box में बहुत details लग रही है ना? No, let's unbox the shoes, then we'll talk about the details. So start. One minute. One more thing. Obviously, you guys know what these sneakers are because you saw the box and the holes in the box. So before I even unbox the sneaker, let me remind you, we are giving away a pair of these sneakers in Metro as usual. So if you guys are interested, then go check out the link in description box below. Subscribe to Metro for 99 rupees and we'll be picking a winner for a brand new pair of these sneakers on Wednesday evening. Just go and check on the Metro page and go to the link in description, blah blah blah. Do your thing. Alright, fine. Let's go ahead with the unboxing now. थोड़ी ज़्यादा नहीं है पैकेजिंग. It came like this. Oh, the box is transparent. Okay, anyways. Wow. By the way, I have not seen these sneakers myself because, like you saw, I just came to Mumbai from Delhi and the sneakers were already here, so I am opening it for the first time and I am very excited, obviously. Oh wow. So these are the Air Jordan 2 Off-White sneakers that have recently released, I think a week ago. I obviously wanted these from a long time since they first leaked in the form of early pairs, but I did not get it unfortunately in my size. So I had to wait and then eventually, you know who plugs me always, Main Street Marketplace arranged it for me pretty soon. I think it's been 1 week. I think this shoe I released. I think it's been 1 week, not more than that. So yes, we have it here. Now before we take a look at the shoe, let's first take a look at the box. Sorry, I threw it out. So this is the box that these sneakers come in. I think from what I know, first of all, the Jordan 2s were released back in 1986 in this very similar colorway. I'll get into more details. As much as I know about them, I will share with you. So from what I know, like I was saying, this box is what it came in back in 1986. I mean, I don't know the exact way if it came in this, but this is the kind of a design that the cover had of the box. So that is what we see over here. Obviously minus the holes. The holes are because of Virgil Abloh, like he likes to put holes on boxes and shoes and bags and everything. So yeah, that's the box, and the bottom of the box is completely transparent and see-through, which is why it had so much of packaging. Like each shoe was wrapped in each of these, which we have again seen before in off-white sneakers like Dunks and stuff like that, with that off-white 21 print or whatever it is, blah 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 blah. Either way, so that is the box. Now let's put it aside. Obviously it's in a size US 7, that is the UK 6, that is my size in Jordans. Flat. So now coming to the shoes. Now basically, like I said, the Jordan 2s were released back in 1986 and there were, I think, two colorways, which was not two colorways, like two variations of this colorway, that is home and away. I think the away pair had the black midsole and the home pair had this cream midsole, something like that. I have no idea. I mean, I do have an idea, which is why I'm talking about it, but I don't have an idea in detail. So yeah, Virgil Abloh took the inspiration from that sneaker back then, and from what I have heard, he basically wanted to make the sneaker in a way that it has been pulled out from 1986, which is why you see such details like the cracked midsole and stuff like that. Also, back in 1986, when Jordan 2s were launched, they were the first Jordans to be manufactured in Italy with use of premium materials on the upper, and that is what has been continued over here as well. The moment you get these shoes in your hand, you can immediately feel the difference compared to other Jordan silhouettes and stuff, because the leather feels extremely premium and of very high quality. This is basically the first time I'm holding a Jordan 2 in my hand, and this is the low version or the mid or the high version. I don't know, whichever the other version are, they're bullshit. I think the lows are way better. So yeah, other details about the shoe, you will find these randomly placed signatures on both the sneakers. Again, from what I have heard, this is because Michael Jordan used to use fresh pairs for every game, and then used to sign each pair and give it away to kids and stuff like that. That's the reason why this has been put here or some other places. Also, one more good detail is that like obviously if you wear a shoe and it gets old, the sole starts cracking and crumbling, and obviously they cannot find a uniformity in both the pairs, both the shoes in a pair. So which is why you will see that here also, because both the midsole have been cracked in a unique way and it's not the same, just to keep it natural and to get that feel of a cracked sole back from 1986. So yeah, those are all the details that I know about this shoe. Apart from that, you have the basic off-white text on the interior side of the shoe. Then you have Wings logo, the Jordan Wings logo on the tongue of the shoe. You have the exposed foam at the ankle area, all the basic stuff, and the sole I think it's a white midsole with the Jordan logo, and yeah, that's about it. Are there any more details? Sole, I think this is how it is. I don't know. Actually, I'm not sure about Jordan 2. Either way, this is the outsole of the shoe. Along with that, obviously, you get a zip tie because it's an off-white. This time we have a translucent sort of a zip tie. It's not completely see-through, but yeah, it's kind of frosted or frozen, as you can call it. And talking about extra laces, you get 2 extra pairs of laces. One is in the cream colorway, I can say cream colorway. Yeah, it's in the same colorway as the midsole, and one is in red. So yeah, these are all the details. Obviously they come laced with black laces. You can see that on the shoe already. So talking about the pricing and the sizing I haven't tried yet. I'm going to do an on-feed just now. But talking about the pricing, I think the retail on these are a tad bit higher. I'm not very sure. I think it was $200 or something like that. Either way, it doesn't matter. It got sold out. Not a lot of people could copy it in India. And yes, there are 2 colorways. The other colorway is the black colorway, which is in more quantities. Whereas this OG colorway is obviously way more limited than those. So these are selling for anything about say about probably 60,000 to 80,000 rupees depending on the size, and the black one I think is going for around 40,000 rupees if I'm not wrong. You can go check that out at various websites. So yeah, I got mine on resale. Obviously, I think it costed me, I bought it immediately after. Main Street sourced it for me immediately on the day it released, and which is why, and also my size is little bit cheaper than the other sizes. I think I got them for around 50k if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, that's about the pricing. Now let's quickly put them on feet, and then I will very quickly, without wasting any time, tell you how do they fit, whether they are true to size or they are anything different. That's all for today. These was a Jordan 2 off-whites. Let me know in the comments below what you feel about them. Yeah, talking about the sizing, they are pretty true to size. I have a UK 6 in other Jordans, and this UK 6 is also fine for me. So no difference over there. So my opinion would be you should definitely go in for them right now, because even though they're Jordan 2s and not as much in demand, I think the hype with Jordan 2 is going to come back in the next couple of months, since we have other Jordan 2s collabs also coming out next year. So yes, if you are interested, you want to give it a shot, then I'd suggest buy it right now, and I don't think you will regret it. And I just think it's nice. I mean, I liked it. I wasn't very sure of Jordan 2s, but yeah, it's a nice sneaker. Anyways, like I said, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and now I think I'll take 2 days break at least, because we've been doing a lot of videos in the past 2 weeks, and probably we'll come back with something else. So until then, see you. Thanks for watching. Peace.